Hey, this is Susan from smokergrillgirl.com, and today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be baking a potato on the Pit Boss pellet grill. And so what we want to do is we want to go ahead and you want to get a potato, and then we washed it. We washed it really good. So what we want to do is we want to coat it with some olive oil. Want to coat it very well. And then want to go ahead and put some kosher salt on it. And make sure you put quite a bit on there so that it'll have a nice flavor to it when it gets cooked. And we're going to be cooking it on 450 for about 45 minutes. Alright, so now that it's been coated with olive oil and salted, we'll see you outside on the grill to put it on there. See you in a bit. Alright, so we're out here with the grill and it's finally preheated. We preheated it to 400, so we're going to open up the barrel and we're going to put the potato directly on the rack. And then we're just going to leave it alone and we're going to come back out here. Alright, so the potato has been on the grill for about 45 minutes to an hour, so we're going to go ahead and check how done it is. So to check the doneness on a potato, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and just stick a fork through it, and what it should do is be able to just go in really nice and easy, and it does. So we're going to go ahead and get it removed from the grill. Okay, and then we're going to just go ahead and take it inside, and then we'll cut it open and see how it looks. See you in a bit. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and do a taste test of the potato, and as you can see, the grill makes it, the skin actual crunchy, so if you like to eat it, it's going to taste really good, and you can see the salt that we put on there. So let's go ahead and cut it in half. So the skin is very crunchy. So you don't want to touch it because it's really hot. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and squeeze this a little bit. And then what you can do is go ahead and when you have your sides that you want to put on it, put some butter on it. Cheese. Bacon bits. Green onions. And some sour cream. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and taste the bite and see how it came out. Very good. Very hot. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this on how to bake a baked potato on the Pit Boss pellet grill. And once again, stop by my website at smokergrillgirl.com for more tips and resources. And I'll talk to you later. Have a great day.